Students, good morning. Students, in today's class, we will be going through the exercise 4.3 and 4.4. 4.3 is the continuation part that we have already started in the previous class. So let us move to the question number 5. So question number 5, there are two bits. So two graphs are given from the choice given below. Choose the equation whose graphs are given. So this is the graph and these are the equation. Fine. So you have to, by seeing the graph, by seeing the coordinate has x value and y value. By seeing this, you have to say which equation is the correct. So what we are going to do, we are going to place the coordinate value, that is x value and y value, and we will see which is the correct equation. Fine. So let us come to the first equation, y equal to x. So here y equal to x. Let us take the point, this one, -1 and 1. So y is how much? 1. Fine. So LHS is 1. And x equal to how much? -1. So 1 is equal to -1? No, 1 is not equal to -1. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, y equal to x is not the equation. Now let us move to the next. X plus y equal to 0. Let us see. So LHS is x plus y and RHS is 0. So the first value, that is -1 and 1. So -1 plus 1, 0. RHS 0. So second one, 0 plus 0. RHS also 0. And third one, 1 minus 1. So LHS is 0 and RHS already 0. So here LHS and RHS both equal. Therefore x plus y equal to 0 is the equation of the graph. So this graph, the correct equation is this one. Fine. Now let us come to the bit number 2. Here the same thing. Graph is given and you have provided with the 4 equation. Y equal to x plus 2, y equal to x minus 2, y equal to minus x plus 2, and x plus 2, y equal to 6. So you have to solve it from the very first, and wherever you get the answer you have to stop there. Fine. So let us proceed with bit number 1, y equal to x plus 2. So here x value is -1 and y value is 3. So we'll substitute here. So LHS is y. So y is 3 and RHS is -1 plus 3, that is -2. So LHS 3 and RHS -2 not equal. So therefore this is not the equation. Now let us proceed to the second one, y equal to x minus 2. So y equal to x minus 2, the same value we'll put. -1 and 3. So RHS, that is y equal to 3, and LHS -1 minus 2, that is equal to -3. Again 3 is not equal to -3. Therefore y equal to x minus 2 is not the solution. Now let us come to the bit number 3, y equal to minus x plus 2. So here again we'll try with this and this. So let us see with the first one, -1 comma 3. So here LHS is 3 and RHS is minus of minus x plus 2. So minus plus 1 plus 2, 3, RHS 3. So it is verifying. Let us try with the second coordinates, that is 0 comma 2. LHS is 2, that is y, and RHS is 0 plus 2, that is 2. Again LHS equal to RHS. Let us try with the third point, that is a 2 comma 0. So here y equal to minus x plus 2. So y is LHS. So LHS value is 0 and RHS value -2 plus 2 is 0. So here LHS equal to RHS. So this satisfy for this point, for this point and this point. All the 3 points satisfy. Therefore y equal to minus x plus 2 is the equation of the graph. That means this is the solution. Now let us come to the question number 7. Question number 7. Yamini and Fatima, two students of class 9 of school, together contributed 100 rupees toward the Prime Minister Relief Fund to help the earthquake victim. Write a linear equation which satisfy the data. You may take, it is hints as given, you may take their contribution as rupees x and y and draw the graph of the same. So what we are going to do, I am taking the amount contributed by Yamini be x and amount contributed by Fatima be y, and total amount is 100. That means contribution from Yamini plus contribution from Fatima equal to 100, that is x plus y equal to 100. So in the first case I am taking let x equal to 0, so 0 plus y equal to 100, so y equal to 100. In the second case I am taking x equal to 100, so 100 plus y equal to 100, so y equal to 100 minus 100, so y equal to 0. So here I have plotted, here I have made the table, and here I have plotted in a graph. So in the graph I have taken the scale in both the x and y axis as a 20 units. Okay, the first point is 0 and 100. So x is 0, y 100. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. This is 0, 100. Then second point is 100, 0. So y is 0, x is 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. This is 100, 0. And this is the equation, x plus y equal to 100. So in this way we can solve the linear equation in a graph. Okay, now here we have completed up to question number 7. In the next video we will be going through the question number 8, as well as we will start that new exercise, that is exercise 4.4. okay, thank you.